Yeah guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Why I sacked Teebilz, Tacha opens up in new interview. One of the major news that filled the atmosphere over the week was that of Tacha and her former talent manager, Tunji Balogun, also known as Teebilz. The reality TV star disengaged business with Teebilz after 3 months of working together, and both parties parted with a statement that announced their disengagement, but not with full details of what transpired between them. In a fresh interview with Sunday Scoop, the controversial BBNaija housemate, who signed a managerial deal with Billz Vizion, opened up why she sacked her manager, Teebilz. According to her, Teebilz was too slow and did not match up to her expectations. Here are the full excerpts from the interview. Vlogging. The highlight of my vlogging career was the first time I had 100,000 views on YouTube, and also when I got my YouTube page verified by Google for paid advertisement to be featured. Sacrifice. Some of the biggest sacrifices I have made for my career include depriving myself of sleep and relinquishing my family time and privacy. Advice. I would tell anyone aiming to go for BBNaija to be original. They should not change anything about themselves or act for the camera. Qualities. I'm hardworking and I strive to succeed in whatsoever I set my mind to do. Teebilz. When one signs up with a management, one would have expectations and targets. However, it is one thing to have expectations, and it is another thing to have the expectations turned to realities. Sadly, that didn't happen, especially after the first month of being signed to a management. The drive I had and the drive they had didn't match. I drew their attention to my concerns and also tried to manage the situation by being patient and hoping for a change. But things got worse as time went on, and after 3 months, I decided we should mutually disengage our business relationship for the sake of my brand. As regards being intimate with Teebilz, people are always saying things, and it won't stop. I don't know what they mean by that. If their intimacy means he's a good manager, then by all means he is. If not, I'm lost. No leave, no transfer. It is a self-generated slogan. It was something I brought up to train myself on my own for surviving so many nominations in the house. I was up for disqualification basically every week, and I kept getting saved. I was confident at some point that I wasn't going anywhere till the last day, hence the slogan. Fame. Fame has robbed me of my privacy. My life now seems like it's in the open, and everyone keeps their eyes on my business round the clock. Benz. As regards rumors that fans didn't truly buy me a Benz, I am not aware of such rumors, and I don't even comment on rumors. As for Titans, they are my family, not my fans. I love them, and I am always grateful for their continuous love. Role models. I have no role model, but I admire Kim Kardashian and Beyonce. Relationship. It has to be God-fearing and selfless. Body. The favorite part of my body is my nose. I love how it's shaped, and I touch it like literally every minute. Davido. I decided to tattoo Davido's name on my cleavage simply because I wanted to. I don't regret anything about it. Surgery. I've never done cosmetic surgery. It is all natural, all Tacha. Body odor. I don't see any reason to react to lies. As regards Latan doing a freestyle about my alleged body odor, I have nothing to tell him. Many people did one or two things with my name last year for different reasons. I hoped it paid off for them. Relaxation. I relax by being with my phone. Fashion. I would describe my style as retro fashion. Guys, let me know what you think about Tasha and the interview in the comment section below.